guys, welcome on my channel 4 Weeks by David. Today I would like to show you this ratchet from Sealey. If you guys are interested, let's go. So the battery ratchet from Sealey. The model is CP1202 and this is 12 volts battery ratchet. You can buy just a bar of the ratchet, what is cost about £67, I think, and you can also buy a full set ratchet with 2 batteries and charger, what is cost about 100, below the 100 I think, and the manufacturers say that the power of the ratchet is 45 Newton meters. Like I said, is 12 volts and 1.5 amperes battery for it. The weight of the ratchet with battery is 920 grams. It's very good ratchet, especially for engine parts, yeah. If you need to replace like timing belt or take a rotor cover off or some things like that, this is very handy ratchet. I would like do quick test. I would torque a bolt for 30 or 40 Newton meters and we see how quick is this ratchet, yeah? Let's have a look. So in here is the bolt of diameter 14 millimeters and the length of the bolt is about 80 millimeters, and now I would like take off this bolt so you guys can see how quick it is. Maybe it's not too quick, but it's good enough. Yeah, and other way. Yeah. All right, I will loosen the bolt now. Okay. Now I would like torque this bolt for 30 Newton meters. Yeah, and we'll try to loosen this bolt. After second time, went off. Yeah. Yeah. I think the ratchet is very good for this price. It's about £97 I think for ratchet with the battery, so I think for something like it is good price, and also got a light in here I forgot to tell you about, and the no load speed is about 250 per minute, and this is very strong enough. I got it about 4 years and no problems with it, yeah. Just it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you are happy with my video, please leave me a like, subscribe my channel if you can, and leave a comment below what you think about it, and tell me which ratchet do you using, yeah. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.